What is going on? I know I've been going for a very long time, and I just want to explain to you guys what's been going on. Long story short, man, I blew my 50K funded challenge. Not the challenge. I was actually fully funded, even received the $80 payout, and then I blew my account, right? So for one, we're gonna go over the problems that I was having and why I blew the account, basically. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go into the charts right now. I'm gonna share my screen with you guys, and we're gonna walk through this together. All right, as you guys can see, my screen is up. We have TD Ameritrade pulled up right here. So I'm gonna show you guys the trades, you know, like the type of trades that I was taking that would get me taken out of my trades and so on and so forth. So we're gonna come to the 5-minute chart, and we're gonna go to the beginning of this week, basically. So as you guys know, I'm a reversal trader, also known as supply and demand. I also like to take supply and demand trades. So yeah, as you guys can see, we had a setup coming through here the other day that we saw. We have a setup that we peeped yesterday, right? So as you can see, sellers came through at this level, and then sellers also came through it after pre-market, before the market opened up. So I ended up drawing my level from the top, from pre-market highs all the way down to the tip of the last candle from the other day, right? So basically what happened is, I didn't know about this before, but it's called buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. Obviously price pushes up so it can sell off, so I was getting used as liquidity, long story short. To keep it very short and sweet, I was liquidity, you know? So I kept getting stopped out of my trades, and I trade with a large lot size so I can capitalize off my short-term plays and my short-term gains, right? So after market direction changed from being choppy, now it's directional, you know? Now the market, you know, as you can see here, clear direction, for the most part, clear direction. And it wasn't following any of my previous strategies, and I couldn't adapt quick enough to be able to keep my funded account. So basically, in the span of 2 weeks, I lost my 50K, I lost 100K, lost a 100K challenge, and now I'm back on another 50K challenge, coming back bigger and better. And I want to tell you guys some of the upgrades that I've made to how I'm going to trade now. So my biggest problem was risk management, over trading, and getting stopped out of my trades, right? So I realized that I always say this on my channel, but I never actually implement it, is demand zones are stronger in an uptrend. So if we're on a clear uptrend, these demand zones are going to be stronger than the supply zones because we're on an uptrend. So I stopped. I'm done playing supply in an uptrend. I will only play demand, meaning I will not take a trade until, you know, we come back down into my zone. Now let me go over how many trades I would have taken this week if I would have been playing, you know, correctly. So as you can see, Tuesday market made a level where there are a lump sum of buyers coming through on the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, I find that as a valid demand zone because the market has showed me a beautiful candle pushing up. So this right here, very valid demand zone. We'll be looking for price to enter this point again. Now on Wednesday there was news, I believe, so the market was experienced a lot of volatility during this time, but nevertheless the zone still held up even though price pushed down. So price pushed down into the zone, I would have bought in here, you know, rode this one all the way up. That would have been a green trade. Now here I wouldn't have played because obviously it's not in my zone, and so on and so forth. Not playing here, or here, but to yesterday I would have played this and I would have caught this move. So in theory I would have only taken 2 trades in the span of a week, but they would have been 2 profitable trades, and that's all we're here to do, is be profitable and be green. You know what I'm saying? And losing money is better, or not losing money is better than losing money, obviously. So that's what's been going on, and not to mention the psychology aspect of it, of me blowing my 50K challenge. The psychology my brain took a huge hit. You know, I thought there was something wrong with my trading plan. I thought there's something wrong with my trading strategy. I thought there's something wrong with me. I thought there's something wrong with the market. And I started looking for outs and reasons why this is doing it, trying to learn new strategies. Maybe it's my strategy. But all trading comes down to, man, is risk management and psychology. I have the risk management portion for the most part. And the psychology for the most part is just I have to tweak it into my quirks, you know. So overtrading and pretty much overtrading kills everybody. So if I stop overtrading and only take proper setups like this in perfect conditions, I'm bound to win in any market. So glad you guys can join me, and I'll keep you guys updated on my 50K challenge that I'm doing with this new strategy, and see y'all later.